The worst feeling in crypto is getting tricked by hackers into giving up your private information. Not fun. Privacy and self-custody are more important than ever, and especially if you have your toes dipped into cryptocurrency. But luckily, there's something that keeps your activity and identity private while you browse, stream, email, download, or even access your browser extension wallets like MetaMask. And that is Nord VPN. What we like best about the Nord VPN app is that it's the fastest and lets you connect up to 6 different devices, which means you stay protected no matter what on your computers, on your phones, even on your tablets. And right now they have this special going on. You can get 4 months free on their current 2-year plan. All you have to do is sign up using the following URL, nordvpn.com/altcoin buzz, and use the code Altcoin Buzz. Plus, it is totally risk-free because Nord offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. And it's very easy to log in. Here are 4 simple steps. Number 1, click on this Altcoin Buzz exclusive link and then click Use Coupon Code. Number 2, you need to choose the plan you want to buy and click Buy Now. Number 3 is where you set up your account using your email ID. And as you can see, the coupon code has been applied. And with that, you are getting a 64% discount. And then number 4, once your account is confirmed, you can set up your own VPN on Android, iOS, Mac OS, and Windows. So sign up for NordVPN today. The link and further information can be found in the description of this video. Use that, guys, and take back control of your privacy. It feels good to do so. Web3 is kind of a loaded term. It can mean a lot of things to a lot of different people. So instead of trying to define it, I'm going to talk about 3 main themes in Web3 that we feel are worth watching. I don't care what you call it. Call it Web 15 if you want. But look, we are full of alpha in today's video. And just right up front, the main themes are 1, modular, scalable blockchains. 2, easy wallet user interface to increase adoption, especially, by the way, through mobile native apps. And 3, cross-chain interoperability. These are 3 big themes of the future. And we have not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, but 7 coins that hit on 1 or maybe more of these major themes. And if you're curious and want to know what they are, then stick around. We are discussing 7 crucially important Web3 altcoin projects in today's video. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. We are a crypto investment research company. Best of luck as always if you choose to invest, but guys, I am not an official financial or investment advisor. So look, take this video to be informative in nature. Hopefully it is for you, but don't consider it to be official financial or investment advice. It's not. With that being said, let's launch into our Web3 coin number 1. It is Polkadot, ticker DOT. First, a bit of background here. So Web3 is bringing some pretty important changes to web users. You may already know about these, but in case you don't, these represent very important ideas like more decentralization, more privacy, and maybe I'm most excited about more censorship-resistant platforms. That one to me is especially a big deal, but all of these are very important and they're starting to take hold and they're finding an audience. These have all kinds of applications. Just check out this huge leak of Celsius customer data from last week. But it goes well beyond that as well. We have increasing trends toward authoritarianism in governments, and therefore a lot more people are a lot more excited all of a sudden about the prospect of privacy. And these concepts are vital because the idea of you owning your data and your followers, that's instead of Facebook or YouTube being able to shut down your account at a moment's notice, that kind of novel thinking is very important. And so with that in mind, we like Polkadot because DOT is a leader in one of our favorite categories, the layer 0 or build out your blockchain here category. And I like a few in this category. DOT is not the only layer 0 on our list here, but some things we like about it are the fact that number 1, the crowd loan and staking system to pledge for a parachain gives lots of utility to the DOT token, which means people have to stake it, hold it, and pledge it for their project to get a parachain slot. Secondly, the staking percentage is high. 51% are staking it now. And most of these stakers are long-term hodlers as well. So they represent believers in the project. And we also think that the room for growth here is enormous. The only real knock on Polkadot is that they aren't growing fast enough, but we think they're building well, they're building right, and the returns from that are going to be coming at one point or another. Moving right along now, let's discuss modular blockchains. Because the idea of having a blockchain that's easy to create and build out apps and ecosystems is really one of the biggest themes of Web3. And layer zeros like Polkadot are a natural project to fit this category. And we like them so much that we have a second layer zero, by the way, which is the leader in this category, Cosmos, whose ticker is Atom, ATOM. Now, Cosmos has more blockchain ecosystems really than any other. Just some of them include BNB Coin and Beacon Chain, Terra Luna Classic and the new Luna, Crypto.com, Kava, Secret, and many others. And their tools for building out a blockchain have created billions of dollars of Web3 and crypto value. But right up until now, there's been a big question about Cosmos and its Atom token. How does Atom benefit from all this? Well, unlike DOT, where every project has to stake and hold it, that's just not the case for Atom. That is, it wasn't true in the past, but things seem to be changing because Cosmos's Atom 2.0 white paper, if adopted, will actually bring lots of extra utility to Atom. All projects will have to hold at least some to pay for interchain security. We did a Cosmos update video recently featuring this new updated white paper and what it's going to mean for Atom hodlers. We are very bullish on it. And if you're similarly bullish on layer zero protocols like DOT and maybe Atom, maybe you have a different favorite than us, let us know in the comments below. But we feel there is so much potential in this space, it's not even funny. Web3 coin number 3 on our list is Polygon, ticker MATIC. It's another one of our favorites. And I don't think personally you can be bullish on Ethereum and not bullish on layer 2 solutions for it, because layer 2 is going to stay vital to the ETH ecosystem for a pretty long time to come, even with the merge completed. And the undisputed leader of layer 2 is, of course, Polygon. They have their own chain, that's a side chain of ETH. They're making great acquisitions like Hermes, for example, to add to their zero knowledge or zk protocol portfolios. And they use almost every technology, which is a quality L2 needs, whether zk or snarks or rollups. They are quickly becoming a fast, inexpensive home for games as well, and games are one of the fastest growing sectors in the industry. Check out this video from the other day if you haven't watched our top 4 games for October 2022 and the crypto metaverse yet. So Polygon continues to make great strategic decisions, and it's also increasing its influence in the market. Moving right along to Web3 coin number 4, we have Fuse. This is a project in the open source money area, and Fuse Network is one of our Altcoin Buzz small cap gems. Their goal is to enable the creation of new tokens as easily as possible, and they have their own stablecoin, FUSD, and their native token, Fuse, FUSE. In their Fuse studio, they even have a no-code option so that entrepreneurs can create their own tokens that include fiat on-ramps. And it's pretty cool. Again, no coding is necessary, which means a business can create a loyalty token or something else worthy of an exchange. And this opens up all kinds of options depending on what it is you want to generate. And one thing that Fuse has that we really like is its mobile wallet app, because it's simple, it's clean, and they're trying to bring real-world utility by having a simple PayPal-style app for moving money around. This is critical because, like blockchains being modular, really another big Web3 theme is mobile-friendly or mobile-first utility, and Fuse offers that. Coin number 5 on our list, another one on the mobile theme, is Celo. In fact, they are so mobile-centric they use phone numbers as public wallet keys because they want to make moving crypto as easy over the phone as people do with PayPal and Venmo. Celo also has a stablecoin, CUSD, and others, by the way, and they make it easy for developers to issue tokens on their compatible EVM chain. And Celo is big in the cross-chain interoperability side of the industry, both within their chain and their popular Celo bridge, linking a few chains with Celo. Really, very few chains are so heavily invested in mobile, and it also offers a great user experience. Plus, Celo has been around since 2017, so they aren't some new kid on the block either. Mobile really is an underrepresented part of the crypto economy right now, but if you think, like I do by the way, that mobile will catch up eventually, then Celo is definitely worth a look. There are other crypto projects out there that focus on mobile. If you have another favorite, if you have another one that you would suggest we perhaps add to the list, let us know in the comments below. Maybe we'll even feature it in a future video. Next up on our list, and at coin number 6, is one we've been talking about quite a bit lately, Lukso, which is bridging physical consumer goods with digital goods like NFTs through their blockchain. And you should definitely check out our gem report for exactly why we like Lukso as much as we do. But to sum it up for you here, first of all, the pedigree is fantastic. The team has one of the creators of the ERC20 token standard as its founder. They also have big brand advisors, and these include executives from Nike, Chanel, and Instagram. And that's great strategic partnering for a consumer-based blockchain like Lukso. And finally, the work that they're doing around identity is very impressive because they're working hard to solve the decentralized identity issue, especially for creators who are going to use their platform. And so while there are a few projects targeting the creator economy, we think that there will probably be several winners, but certainly that Lukso is positioning itself to be one of them. All right. Rounding out the list here, and at coin number 7, we have zkSync. This is another player in the Ethereum layer 2 side of the industry, which is, by the way, another theme we have here, along with mobile and modular and easily customized blockchains. The ZK, as we said before on Polygon, that stands for zero knowledge. And this is one of the most popular ways to run a layer 2 and keep it secure. So the ZK rollups method is a popular way to set up an ETH layer 2. And we did a video on this subject in December and included zkSync as one of our favorites at that time. And the good news is that you are still seriously early when it comes to this project. But the bad news is that they haven't launched their token yet. However, an airdrop is in the works. You can make yourself eligible for that airdrop by using one of the dApps in their ecosystem while it's in testnet. More information can be found on this page. We're on ecosystem.zkSync.io. And that's it. 3 big themes and 7 coins, really from large caps all the way down to such small cap projects that they're ready to have their token generation event. So quite a spectrum here. The question is, which one of these coins do you like most for the future of Web3? And if you like this kind of alpha, then our Altcoin Buzz access group is definitely for you. That's where you get all of our research really hot off the press. And you can talk to the researchers themselves directly and see why they prefer Project A over Project B, over what kind of time frame. Check it out, guys. Information can be found by clicking the link in the description of this video. So best of luck if you choose to invest, but once again, never official financial or investment advice. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to receive notifications. Check out these other couple of videos. They are popping up to my left, to my right. Stay safe out there, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. Have a great weekend. And as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.